Good morning, guys. It's Cassie coming at you with another video, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my morning routine. So obviously I don't go to sleep with a candle lit, but today I just wanted to improve the aesthetic of the video. Most days I like to sleep in as much as possible, and I like to wake up without an alarm clock as well. So whenever I do wake up, I like to take it easy and move slow. First thing I do is go on my phone to kind of get my brain moving and thinking about something other than sleep. Once I'm done scrolling through Instagram and such, I get up and I'm usually really thirsty, so I will go straight for my big cup of water. It's very important to hydrate your body all day long, but in the mornings I am especially thirsty. Next, I go into my bathroom and I start getting ready for the day. I'll do the normal things like brush my teeth and wash my face and put on a little bit of makeup. Lately, what I've been loving to do is just spot conceal and let my skin breathe. I've been having a little bit of trouble with falling asleep with my makeup on lately, so my skin does need a break. After that, I usually go straight for the kitchen and make myself some coffee. It's hard for me to start my day without a little caffeine. My favorite kind of coffee is the Starbucks cold brew that's pre-packaged and ready to go, and I usually buy it at the grocery store like that. It is my absolute favorite. It makes me happy instantly. I usually wait a little too long to have breakfast, so I opt for something a little on the quicker side to make, which is usually a cinnamon raisin bagel, and I'll just put some butter on that, and yeah, it's pretty simple. It holds me over for a little while. Once I'm all done with breakfast, I will usually pack my fiance's lunch and get Ocean some food, but today I had already done all that stuff before filming this, so I just went straight over to my desk and started planning out my next video. If it's not planning out a video, it's editing one usually, and this will take quite a few hours, usually the rest of my morning, and after that I will go off and do some chores, maybe make some lunch, and just continue my day. So yeah, that pretty much concludes my morning routine, and I would really love it if you guys liked, comment, and subscribed. And check out my social media, they'll be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!